I knew we had to bring this on stream and react to it. Road to 1,000. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about these type of videos and these stories. But LaSalle University student bought Tesla after stealing $547,000 in credit card scams. We got a part 1 and a part 2. We're going to make it all one video. Bro.
LaSalle University student accused of stealing more than $500,000 in a credit card scam.
Credit card scam.
David is off tonight.
I'm Lisa Hughes. Police say she...
Over. I don't know how else you would classify it.
Police say 19-year-old Ariel Foster embezzled
19. Look at her. Criminals do not come in a do-rag, black hoodie, tattoos. That is not the only criminal or scary person in society. Look at this. Look at her face.
dollars from her part-time job. Arrested Wednesday night in front of her dorm room at LaSalle University, where she ran track. The teenager
Where is LaSalle?
Down this Lovisa at the Burlington Mall. The jewelry store lists most of their items for under $50.
Wow.
Police say Foster was doing fake transactions.
Wow.
Items up in price, then returning them for the original price.
Hold on, one more time, listen.
Marking items up in price, then returning them for the original price while pocketing the difference in account of her own. Customers were never involved. She acted alone. Police say for 3 weeks in February, Foster made 8 fake transactions totaling more than $540,000.
When I first saw the amount, I was surprised. I thought it was a mistake.
Police say over the course of those 3 weeks, Foster spent $5,000 on a Louis Vuitton purse, $6,000 on plane tickets, and $20,000 for a hotel in Maui. Her shopping spree ended with the purchase of a Tesla for $35,000.
Oh my God.
Here it is, now in the custody of Burlington Police.
My God.
Police tell me Foster got loose with her work and rang up an order for $1 million, but never cleared it out. A coworker saw the amount and then notified them. LaSalle University tells us they are cooperating with police, saying the responsibility of all students to comply with local, state, and federal laws applies both on and off campus.
Wow.
My children came home and said, hey, they have enough money to buy a Tesla while they're trying to go to school. That's certainly going to raise those flags for me. So,
yeah. So I'm going to just keep it all the way lethargic with y'all, all the way 1,000 trillion gazillion. That's typical nigga shit. Like, I'm just keeping it. That's typical hood nigga shit, dog. We gonna get something. We're gonna have a mouse, right? We're gonna have a mouse. One of the mouse works perfectly fine. The other one, it's broke. We're gonna return it to Best Buy. Get some credit, get some money back, put it on our card. But we return the broke one. We return the one we return the one that was messed up instead of the one that actually works. Because of course you're not gonna say it's broke. You're gonna say I'm returning this because I got the wrong one. I didn't need it. Or nothing. I just simply want to return it. Okay, you know. The employee has to respect the customer's grant, right? That's typical nigga shit, y'all. That's typical nigga shit. But how she ran, and then she forget to do it on $1 million transaction? You choose to be smart all these other times. And then she was like, you know what, I'm going to spend it. In her mind, that's what she said. In her mind, she said, I'm going to spend it. I'm going to get it all out so it can't be traced. That's what she said in her brain. They're going to trace you even more. Because where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from? What'd you do with it? Where's it at now? Boom, it's gone. You feel me?
It's both on and off campus.
if one of my children came home and said, hey, they have enough money to buy a Tesla while they're trying to go to school, that's certainly going to raise those flags for me. So,
man, shut up. Next video.
Information about a LaSalle University student accused of running a scam to steal close to $1 million.
Woo!
Police say this
What up, Ari girl?
first time she's done it.
Daniel.
WBZ's Christina Hager is live tonight in New
She got a big forehead. She got a big forehead. Oh my goodness. No, excuse me. She has a big 5 head. So she got a lot of knowledge in that cranium. Ooh.
The first time she's done
I
it.
know them braids hurt too. I know they. I know they
Live
hurt.
tonight in Newton, where the suspect went to college. And Christina, Ariel Foster did appear in court today, correct?
Yes, and court papers are now showing she was also being investigated on
that's in Boston.
completely separate but similar cases of possible fraud here at LaSalle University.
Yeah.
This is her dorm where police arrested her and she was arraigned in court today.
Ms. Foster, good morning.
Walking into court, accused of stealing as much as $1 million. A far cry from...
Wait, hold on. What's her lawyer?
Accused of stealing as much as $1 million. A far cry from track star Ariel Foster's reputation at LaSalle University.
She won a couple awards for the school. She broke a few records.
Now the 19-year-old faces a judge accused of faking transactions at her part-time job at La Visa Jewelry Store in the Burlington Mall.
An item was scanned onto the register and the item price was altered to heighten the loss. The item would then be refunded onto a credit card.
Yo! She spent the money on a debit, put it on a credit. But putting it back on the credit card is going to take a couple days. Well, it depends on what type of credit card she got. She got Capital One, Bank of America, Chase. What she got? It's going to take a couple days, and they didn't catch her. But they only caught her when she messed up on the $1 million transaction. Not $1 million conglomerate of things, big words. Conglomerate, no. She messed up on a $1 million transaction. Uno one. What the hell was she buying? And look, I want to know if she's representing herself. This is gangster.
In some of the ways they say she spent the money, a Louis Vuitton bag, plane tickets, a trip to Hawaii, and a Tesla. Surprise.
All right, stop. Let's do the math. We pocket watching. All right, let's round up. So 40, 20. That's 60. Let's say, okay, nah. We'll use 5 and 5. So this is roughly $70,000. $70,000 plus more that she got away with. And they did not catch her until she messed up on the $1 million transaction. Y'all are stupid. But see, my question is it stealing? Or is it taking something that your people made that is in your country that is there for you? Stealing. All y'all do is plagiarize. Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Amazon, Alibaba. They're all middlemen. They're all stealing and scamming. So why like that's my thing. I'm not condoning that. I'm just letting y'all know what's real out here. It's not stealing. She's not stealing. I'm taking something that wasn't mine. That's what stealing means. It's all mine. It's all mine.
Do you think the student would be able to afford those things?
Yeah, I mean, there's got to be something up.
Court documents show how...
Shut up. Because you don't know how to make $1,000 a month. Stupid. And don't tell me that's your girlfriend. Okay, my bad. I didn't mean to catch y'all astray. I didn't mean to throw y'all. My bad.
Would be able to afford
My bad.
those things?
Yeah, I mean, there's got to be something up.
Gotta be something up. Man, shut up, dog.
Connect
Massachusetts and Boston.
with posts on her Instagram accounts. My
That's
biggest
her?
flex is being able to buy my own Tesla full out under 20 minutes.
And then she posted the. And then she posted it like it was hers. Your bestie got a testy. Your stupid ass. Your big fat forehead. Man, god damn. If you want to be slick, at least be slick all the way. Not 25, 30%. Putting the whole license plate, putting the color, you could have at least took a picture with the key inside a Tesla. You know what I'm saying? You land, putting the passenger seat all the way in the back like this, you know, with the keys. So it looks like you inside. They can't see your license plate, the outside of your car, the color of they can't see nothing. Stupid.
Flex is being able to buy my own Tesla.
Oh, goodness.
And under a photo of a tropical scene, Maui is where I will retire. According to court documents, LaSalle campus police said
But stop, because my brain is moving very fast. Y'all know how I get down. Where is all of these transactions and records whenever these rappers be doing the shit? That's what I want to know. It's not until 10 years later, 5 years later. That's a lot of time to do a lot of crime. 5 years, 10 years, 3 years even. That's a lot of time. But this chick, she was doing it for what? 6 months? 8 months? Didn't get caught? In Boston. Who cares? Y'all are close to New York. Y'all who cares?
Foster had also been the subject of multiple investigations for similar issues in the last year in regards to using fraudulent credit cards to pay for tuition. Police searched her.
Well, number one, your credit score can't be that good for you to be paying from yourself as 18, 19. She wasn't even 20. Your credit score can't be that good to the point where you get approved for a $3,000 credit card. If that's the case in Boston, then wow, y'all are even more stupid than I thought. So, and I know, well, I never went to college, never went, fuck college. But I'm saying, like, I know college is not going to be like $1,000 a month. $3,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? I know it's not going to be that. It's going to be more. Because let's just think, right? Let's say college tuition is $60,000. I don't know about this college in particular, LaSalle University. I don't know how much it is, but let's just say it's $60,000 annually. Bro, you know how many people don't even get to even touch that type of money annually? So $60,000. Let's do the math. There's 12 months in a year. Okay? Let's say with your job you make $2,000 a month at 18, 19, and that's being generous. $2,000 a month. 2,000 times 12 is what? So I'm like, oh, she might have been using other people. Duh. She was using other people's credit cards to pay the tuition. Wait, dumbasses, stop. If she was doing identity and credit card theft, and she was using other people's credit cards to pay her tuition, how she didn't get caught sooner? Man, these people dumb. These people stupid.
Where neighbors say they saw the Tesla parked. They also searched her college dorm.
Just the fact that like a college student buying a Tesla, like fully buying a Tesla, it's a little suspicious.
No! That's where you're wrong. Ariana, shut up. You just don't have the brain capacity to feel like you can do something that's greater than a business degree, a nursing degree. Salute to my peoples who are in college and they know what they're doing. Okay? They know what they're there for. They got a plan. They got a mission. Cool. Salute to you. But you, let's be real. You go out every single Thursday and Friday maybe Saturday, and you're hungover Sunday, and you probably skip school on Monday and Tuesday. Let's be real, okay? Let's be real here. What you mean? Like, I'd be the one, if I was in college, I'd be the one to be making a lot of money, figuring out a way to make a lot of money in college. Not to flex and buy a Tesla, but you know, suspicious. Shut up. Putting your beliefs on me.
The police report says Foster eventually said she would take the blame, saying, "I'm sorry for what I did." She is now out on $1,000 bail. Live.
Oh my goodness, dude. Ain't this world something, y'all? Ain't this world just a pile of great shit? Ain't this world just a pile of great shit? They take her big ass forehead and they take her hand and say, "Give me that. Give me your black hand, girl." $1,000 bail. Run that back.
The police report says Foster eventually said she would take the blame.
Because she was smart and realized, okay, these people are stupid. I'm a woman in Boston, Massachusetts. I can get better time if I plead guilty.
"I'm sorry for what I did."
So I'm sorry, guys.
Out on $1,000 bail.
She's going to be in debt, no? Oh, yeah, big time. Big time debt. Big time debt. Big time debt. Big time debt. That's a good point, too. You're right. That's a good point, too. Because a lot of people do say that debt is... being in a lot of debt is worse than dying. You know? Because it's bad enough they already feel like they're dying with debt, you know? And what they're going to do about jobs? Because I will say this. Yes, it is a double standard for y'all in the comments. It is double standard. But what you going to do about it? Nothing. You ain't changing nothing, okay? She is more susceptible to getting a job than a dude who does fraud and credit card scamming. That's a fact. That's true. That's a fact. That's just a fact. But damn, she's not gonna be able to live though. In Boston, what's rent? Like $1,500 a month? Almost $2,000 for something. I don't know. Got to be inflation. Y'all close to New York, so $1,500, $1,000, right? Or $1,500, $2,000.
Live in Newton, Christina Hager, WBZ News.
Christina, thank you.
All righty. Wow. Wow, wow, and wow.